Hey there, dudes and dudettes. Welcome to a 2-ish minute tutorial. Today we're going to go over loading a small quilt with these glorious things, which are called red snappers. They make loading and unloading your quilts very, very easy. So I'm just going to go and get right into it, and we'll start with, I like when things line up on the salvage edge. It makes it a whole lot easier, or selvage edge, I guess is how you're supposed to say it. So I get that lined up nice and straight. I like to start in the middle, and these just snap on. There is another red plastic piece that you can't see that's fed through the leader here, and we just snap that right on, and that is that side. And then the nice thing is, if maybe it pulls in a little bit too much on one end, you can pull a little bit off and adjust it. And now we're pretty nice and even down along this edge. And I roll this nice and even and straight until I have just enough to reach over here. And this has a nice kind of linear pattern on it, which makes it easier because this edge is not straight. So what I'll do is I'll make sure I'm nice and even, maybe even roll a little bit back off of here. I like to make sure that I'm hanging nice and even, and I get my lines lined up, and I do the same thing here. I'm all down one line, and I'm just gonna snap that on there like so. And now we have a nice, evenly loaded back. And that, my friends, is how you load a back with the red snappers. All right, so there you have it. That is how quick and easy it is to load a quilt with the red snappers. I will go ahead and put my batting on here, run a basting stitch to line my quilt top on, and then I will free float my quilt top, which is how we handle most of our tops, is free floating them. Again, very, very handy tool. We will be carrying them here at Sheet Sew Creative. You'll be able to find them in the near future at www.sheetsewcreative.com, and most likely you'll be able to find them at Fork Mountain Quilting as well. I'll have to check with Todd about that. So if you like what you're seeing and it adds value, please consider giving us a subscribe and a thumbs up. And remember, you do you, dudes and dudettes. Keep on stitching.